Hi, welcome back to IT Asset Management. In this video, we are going to see about the overview of network inventory, device maintenance, and accessories. Let's start with network inventory. Network inventory automatically collects up-to-date list of devices, which are connected over the network. It provides information about the device tag, domain, network info and so on. Here, you can download the Windows agent to interact with the local computer and endpoints. Click this view icon of any device to see more details like basic info, installed program details, memory details, video and audio controller details, user account details, and the changes happen on the device. You can directly go to the device info page by clicking this icon. This icon will appear if this inventory device is in your company device list. Similarly, you can see the license details, change details, and the detected host. You can configure your network inventory here. For an instance, to add network inventory items as company device, enable this radio button and click on Update. On this same page, you can configure the scan range. Click on Add New Range, and enter the from into address. Then click on Save to proceed. Likewise, host vault, common credentials, SNMP credentials, and mapped location can be configured. Then, device maintenance. Maintenance is the continuous process includes repair and upgrade, which is essential for improving the performance of the assets, and which may happen anytime in the life cycle of the device. You can add the maintenance detail here by clicking this plus icon. Once it created, edit icon can be used to update the existing details. Clone icon can be used to create new maintenance detail, which is similar to the current one. Then, you can use the trash icon to delete the detail. You can also download the maintenance details here by clicking this download icon. For the successful business, it is necessary to track the small expenses of your organization. This accessories module enables maintaining complete details of the accessories. This is the workflow of an accessory. Initially, you have to add the accessory. Then you can assign this accessory to the user, or to the internal place. You can manage the accessory check-in the General Settings page. If you enabled the accessory check-in, then the system will allow this. Otherwise, check-in will not be allowed for the accessories. Hope this video helped to learn about these three modules. Thank you for watching.